Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Hani Syuhada binti Roslan and welcome back to What's Up 6.0. So, today I would like to share something interesting that I found online. Most environmental efforts that we see require planting trees to help the environment. But what if I told you that there is a group that had flooded a forest to help it? You might wonder why, you might wonder how, but don't worry, that is exactly what I will be telling you today in this video. So let's get into it. Now, this particular project where they flooded the forest really caught my eye because I have never heard of a conservation effort that is like that. So, how did they do it? They explained that this forest is actually a wetland, but due to a dam being built in around 1992, the natural flooding that always occurred in this forest stopped. As a result, this disruption of the natural flooding causes many issues towards the biodiversity of the wetland, as it is no longer wet. So, how do you help a dry wetland? Easy, you flood it, and that's exactly what they did. So, 2 years ago, February 2022, they partnered up with BROZ, a local Slovakian environmental team, to help with the project. They spent 40,000 euros to start this project. By digging a channel from the Danube River, they are then able to redirect the water back to the harder to reach parts of the forest, once more making a natural flood. Of course, this place will not be flooding all the time, as they explain in their videos. It actually stimulates the natural cycle of the flooding, where it would flood every few months. Now, why is this so important? Well, first and foremost, wetlands are very, very important to the environment as they are carbon sinks. This means that they take carbon more than they release it into the environment. And second of all, this particular wetland in Slovakia is actually the habitat of a very endangered species called the Pannonian root vole. Now, this root vole is actually very special as it is actually a glacial relict. This means that it is a leftover species from the cold-adapted communities back in the Ice Age. Now, due to the decreasing wetlands in Slovakia, their habitat is slowly disappearing as well. With efforts such as this, they can once again flourish in a habitat where they have adapted to live. Now, you might have some questions regarding this whole thing, but fret not. Mossy Earth has a website where they list out everything that they have ever done. And not only that, they also have a YouTube channel where they show updates on all of their projects. The last update that they made towards this project was 3 months ago. So you can head over there and see for yourself just exactly what they do. Now, that's all from me. This is Nurul Hani Syuhada, signing out.